Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you my current favorite moisturizers for this summer season. And if you want to know what these moisturizers are, then please keep on watching. Before which, don't forget to like, comment and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. Let's get started with today's video. So the first pick is going to be this one. This is the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. This comes in various sizes. I have the tiniest one. I also have a big tub of this moisturizer. The consistency of this is super lightweight. It's very nice and lightweight, like you can see. It just sinks into your skin so nicely, and it's very good for summer as it's like super lightweight and soft as the name suggests. And you also get various sizes. In this you have a big size, you have a very small size like this one, you also have a medium size. So it's a beautiful moisturizer for summers. This is my first recommendation for moisturizers in the summer season. And my second pick is going to be this one. This is the Good Vibes Watermelon Gel. Most of you would like me, I guess, would like to use a moisturizer that's super lightweight, that is sort of like a gel consistency for summers. So I would definitely recommend that you try this. There are tons of variants. You have orange gel, you have watermelon gel, pomegranate gel, neem gel. There are so many variants, and Good Vibes is a brand that is available only on purple.com, and you can definitely buy this. And this is a very affordable moisturizer. This is priced at 175 rupees, and it's beautiful. The consistency is so good, and you get a good quantity. This is how the consistency looks like, and it smells so good. I've been using this and loving this. It just sinks into your skin so quickly, so quickly. You don't even feel it on your skin. At the same time, it moisturizes your skin so well. So this is my second pick for moisturizers during summer season. And my third pick is going to be this one. This is something that I've been using constantly, like you can clearly see. This is kind of flattened. This is the Simple Kind to Skin Hydrating Light Moisturizer. This is not the rich moisturizer. They have two variants, light and rich. This is the light one. This says 12-hour moisturization. The consistency of this is sort of in between gel and cream, so that makes it suitable for summers, because it's very lightweight and it has like a gel to cream sort of consistency. This is the consistency that you get, and it quickly absorbs into your skin, moisturizing it so well. So this is how the moisturizer sinks into the skin, and it nourishes your skin so well. So this is definitely great for summers. This retails for about $3.99 or $3.50, I'm not too sure, and you get 125 ml. And Simple is a great brand because you do not have any artificial preservatives, no paraben, no animal derived ingredients, and all those good things. So if you're looking out for a brand to try that is like cruelty free, no parabens and stuff like that, you can definitely go for this brand. You can get this on Nykaa.com, and it's a very beautiful moisturizer, I would say. And my fourth pick is going to be Pond's Light Moisturizer. I've already completely used up one tub of this moisturizer, and this is my second tub. I got a bigger one. It's so good. This is how it looks like, and the consistency of this is very nice. If you're like very dry skin also, you can use this. At the same time, it's very lightweight as well. It just gets sunk into your skin so quickly, and it smells amazing. You feel so refreshed in the morning once you apply this. It's such a huge tub, and you get various sizes in this as well. You get a smaller one, medium one and a larger one. I guess this is the largest size, and it also has vitamin E and glycerin, which is so good for your skin. And it says it's non-oily, fresh feel, which is true. You do not feel oily or sweaty, especially during summers. You hate such moisturizers that are heavy onto your skin, that kind of, you know, feel greasy and sweaty on your skin. This does not do that. At the same time, it moisturizes your skin so well. So it's a great option. And even if you're oily skin, this will not feel sweaty or oily on your skin. It's going to moisturize your skin so well. At the same time, you know, feel fresh and nice as it claims. And it's a great one, and this is my second tub, so you know how much I love this moisturizer. And my fifth pick is also from Pond's, and this is another variant of the previous moisturizer that I showed you. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. This I haven't opened this up yet, but this is like my second tub. I've already completely used up one full tub, and this is sort of like a gel consistency like the watermelon gel from Good Vibes that I showed you. It's so good. It's very nice. It hydrates your skin so well, again sinks into your skin so quickly, absorbs so well, and you feel very nice and fresh and non-sticky and greasy. You do not feel that way. You do not feel sticky or greasy. It's so good, and this is great for oily skin types, and for dry skin also. It provides the right amount of moisturization, I would say. So it's a good one for summers, as it is lightweight, gel consistency, non-sticky, non-greasy or oily. So this is my fifth pick. So those were all of my recommendations for moisturizers during the summer time. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please share, please comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time in my next video. Until then, take care. Tata, bye bye.